Weather message for the following county, Dickey, North Dakota. Blizzard warning in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy snow and blowing snow expected.
Jeez.
Additional snow accumulations between 3 and 7 inches.
It's only north of
Winds
us.
gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Portions of central North Dakota, including the James River Valley. When? Until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time or 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Visibilities will drop below 1/4 mile due to falling and blowing snow. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the Thursday evening commute. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511.